Let us solve the problem set 1. 1. Select the correct alternative from the answers of the questions given below. 1. How many midpoints does a segment have? A. Only 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. Many. Answer A. 2. How many points are there in the intersection of two distinct lines? A. Infinite. B. 2. C. 1. D. Not a single. Answer C. 3. How many lines are determined by three distinct points? A. 2. B. 3. C. 1 or 3. D. 6. Answer C. 5. If P dash Q dash R and distance of PQ is equal to 2, distance of PR is equal to 10, then find distance of QR. A. 12. B. 8. C. Square root of 96. D. 20. Answer B. 2. On a number line, coordinates of P, Q, R are 3, -5 and 6 respectively. State with reason whether the following statements are true or false. 3. Distance of RP plus distance of PQ is equal to distance of RQ. Solution. Distance of RP plus distance of PQ is equal to 3 plus 8. Therefore, distance of RQ is equal to 11. Answer. Distance of RP plus distance of PQ is equal to distance of RQ is a true statement. 4. Distance of PQ minus distance of PR is equal to distance of QR. Solution. Distance of PQ minus distance of PR is equal to 8 minus 3. Therefore, distance of QR is equal to 5. Answer. Distance of PQ minus distance of PR is not equal to distance of QR is a false statement. 3. Coordinates of some pairs of points are given below. Hence, find the distance between each pair. 1. 3, 6. Solution. Coordinate of the first point is 3. Coordinate of the second point is 6. 6 is greater than 3. Distance between the 2 points is equal to 6 minus 3, which is equal to 3. 2. Minus 9 minus 1. Solution. Coordinate of the first point is minus 9. Coordinate of the second point is minus 1. Minus 1 is greater than minus 9. Distance between the 2 points is equal to minus 1 minus minus 9 in brackets, which is equal to minus 1 plus 9, which is equal to 8. Distance between the 2 points is 8. 3. Minus 4, 5. Solution. Coordinate of the first point is minus 4. Coordinate of the second point is 5. 5 is greater than minus 4. Distance between the 2 points is equal to 5 minus minus 4 in brackets, which is equal to 5 plus 4, which is equal to 9. Distance between the 2 points is 9. 6. Minus 25 minus 47. Solution. Coordinate of the first point is minus 25. Coordinate of the second point is minus 47. Minus 25 is greater than minus 47. Distance between the 2 points is equal to minus 25 minus minus 47 in brackets, which is equal to minus 25 plus 47, which is equal to 22. Distance between the 2 points is 22. 5. Answer the following questions. 1. If A dash B dash C and distance of AC is equal to 17, distance of BC is equal to 6.5, then distance of AB is equal to how much? Solution. Distance of AB plus distance of BC is equal to distance of AC, as A, B and C are collinear. Therefore, distance of AB plus 6.5 is equal to 17. Therefore, distance of AB is equal to 17 minus 6.5, which is equal to 10.5. Answer. Distance of AB is equal to 10.5. 2. If P dash Q dash R and distance of PQ is equal to 3.4, distance of QR is equal to 5.7, then distance of PR is equal to how much? Solution. Distance of PQ plus distance of QR is equal to distance of PR, since P, Q and R are collinear. Therefore, distance of PR is equal to 3.4 plus 5.7. Therefore, distance of PR is equal to 9.1. Answer. Distance of PR is 9.1. 7. Write the following statements in conditional form. 1. Every rhombus is a square. Answer. If a quadrilateral is a rhombus, then it is a square. 2. Angles in a linear pair are supplementary. Answer. If angles are linear pair, then they are supplementary. 3. A triangle is a figure formed by 3 segments. Answer. If a figure is a triangle, then it is formed by 3 segments. 9. Write the antecedent, that is, given part, and the consequent, that is, part to be proved, in the following statements. 1. If all sides of a triangle are congruent, then its all angles are congruent. Answer. Antecedent. All sides of a triangle are congruent. Consequent. Its all angles are congruent. 2. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Answer. Consider statement in form. If a quadrilateral is a parallelogram, then its diagonals bisect each other. Antecedent. Quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Consequent. Diagonals bisect each other.